People always ask me about the rear end in this thing. It's a 99 or 2000 Ford Explorer. Had a neighbor that wrecked his truck, idiot, and kind of stripped it. But it's an open rear. It's an 8.8 Ford, 373 gears in it, disc brakes, but you got to shorten it for the pumpkin to be in the middle. And not saying there's a lot of hacks out there, but you also don't have to spend a ton of money on trying to narrow your rear. It's pretty simple to do. You got to take the right measurements. There's a ton of videos out there on that. It's about 3 inches you got to remove from one side. But when they make their cuts, they use a grinder, which isn't, an exact cut. And then their wells aren't going to be, you want to try to get exact as most exact that you can get. And this is going to be your best friend. Okay, you can pick these up cheap, used, and this will cut the diameter of the rear end housing, the axle shaft housing, and give you a perfect round cut for you to do your welds. And you want to do them underneath your perches, the leaf springs. That's going to give it even more strength. But definitely get one of these, and I'll show you underneath there in a second. Remember, this is going to be a daily driver, man. So this isn't a can dig it creation, but she runs good. And we'll be dialing out the bugs in it.